Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Happy July 4th, everyone. This is Wordle number 745. Yesterday, I did not use my favorite starter word, which is raise. Today, I will. Let's see what happens. And I have 4 letters. One is in the correct position. This is just totally awesome. There's a possibility I may get this in 2 tries. So let me think about this and see what the best plan of action is to get this correct. The first thing that comes to mind is that the A, the I, and the E are not together. This is a word with 3 vowels. You just do not see this very often. So I'm going to rule that out. So I've got to figure out where the R goes. And I think maybe the R might be the 4th letter. And I have to use the I and the A. I know the A is not the 2nd and the I is not the 3rd. So let's go ahead and reverse those and go X, I, A, R, E. What word would work here? One word that comes to mind is tiara. T-I-A-R-A. I'm pretty sure that's a word. If this is not the word, it will let me know if I have the A and the I in the correct position as well as the R, and if the T is in the word. So I might be able to get it in 2. Nope. But look, I've got all 5 letters, so I should be able to get this. Let's see. The I is not the 2nd, the 3rd, or the last. So I'm thinking it has got to be the 4th letter. What word ends in A-I-E? No, that's not going to work either because the R would have to be the 2nd letter. So I'm thinking the I is the 1st letter. Oh, I-R-A-T-E. Irate is the word. Wow. I'm pretty sure this is correct. Got it. In 3. My starter word, raised, worked out really well. Tiara was a good guess. I mean, it fit, but it did not work. I just got lucky in that I picked the T, and the T was the 5th letter in the word, and I was able to get it in 3. Again, I hope you got it in 3, and I hope that you have a very happy 4th of July. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy Wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.